Today I'm gonna quickly show you how to repair your principally a good working mouse, but having issue with some buttons and whatever you have. I just open it up with 4 screws, and now I need to kind of disassemble the upper part and lower part, and then I will be able to focus on the part which consists all of the buttons here, and to replace the buttons we will use our old friend big green gun, so we will not there will be no necessity to have kind of a supreme skill in desoldering and yeah, having spending a lot time on fixing unit. We need to replace these sets of 2 buttons, and I have kind of a replacement for it, and I will check later how good they are in quality. To prepare this unit with wheel, you need just to squeeze that 2 pieces together in one side. Just squeeze and move in one side, and you will be able to just pick up one side out and another one as well. Now we have 2 buttons, and all we need to prepare for quick removal of the old faulty buttons, and we can open them up using this key on the side. As you can see, when I remove that button, I will open and clean it and maybe reuse it again soon. So I put some flux on top of the soldering points. This my usual flux without changing. I will probably go straight forward in using the desoldering gun right here by charging it. We need this place for charging, and I will try to straight clean this mounting point without soldering preparation. Just we will see how good that soldering was previously, and we will see how quickly we can replace the buttons. They are moving right now, just slight pull. I'm just hitting the each point and pulling the switch sharing button just like that on the other side. Therefore I'm kind of this one just fell off. and no need in manipulation with soldering. That one just don't want to give up, but we will make it out as soon as possible. That's it. We have removed two buttons. Clean it holes. As you can see, all holes are clean. We can switch our soldering gun, and now we can replace the buttons we need to. I just don't actually know which are use it and which is not. Yeah, this and now we just solder them back again, just adding some flux on each leg, and using some simple technique, we grab and solder, hit one leg, wait it's partially fix it, and then this one we press it firmly, add some flux here and there, and fix one leg. Now straightforward with the others. That's it. It took about 5 or I believe less minutes, and we have replaced the buttons on our mouse, and the mouse alive again. All we need is to place the wheel of Dharma in it, and probably I need some wax on the wheel just to make the wheel of Dharma move fluidly. And there is the Vaseline I can add here and there just to make it run better. I like when the wheel is not making too much grinding noise out of detents, and those detents inside of the switch are kind of silent for me, and I love it. And now I just place everything together, snap in the joints. Yeah, this is the small example why you need the soldering scale, just to keep the Mother Earth free from plastic and whatever garbage we have in our houses. Let's fix everything with desoldering and soldering skills. See you then.